There isn't a cheaper way to decorate than to shop at Dollartree. Welcome back to Cali Resin and Stuff. My name is Terry. I'm a resin artist. I do love crafting with resin, but I also love stuff. And the stuff I'm going to talk about today is how to decorate for fall on an extreme budget. Sometimes I am truly amazed at what you can get at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. These scarecrow picks are the perfect accessory for my project. They would also make a great addition to any bouquet of flowers. I have a slight obsession with these little gnome people. Okay, let me not downplay it. I love them. I think they're so adorable. Where was I? Focus, Terry, focus. Look at these. These are some block-shaped pumpkins. I really like how each one of the leaves contrasts with the color of the pumpkin. I'll have one of each, please. So this is the area that I am working with. I have minimal space and would like to use 2 sections of this station for seasonal decor, such as occasions, events, and seasons. And there's me and my babies. My daughter's almost 30, but my children will always be my babies. This resin candy apple was made by moi and can be found on my website. I already had this tray that I purchased from Amazon earlier this year. I lined it with these faux maple leaves that I had already as well. I found this 2-pack of mini straw hay bales at Joann Fabrics. It was on sale for $2.40. I broke the sticks of the scarecrow picks and inserted them in the bale. This fuzzy pumpkin was marked down to 60% off. I got it for $8, and this one was $6 at Joann's. This floral piece was $2.99 at a sale price of buy one, get 2 free. Mission complete. The only thing missing is my pumpkin spice latte. The purpose of this channel is to uplift and inspire. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!